This is one of the most sacred plant or Bhagavati. Bhagavati or Mahashakti. So in Lalita Sahasranama, they mention more than half a dozen times Kadamba, Kadamba Nivasini. Kadamba Vasini, Kadamba Nivasini. So, why they have given this name? The scientific name of this is Anthocypris Kadamba. The Aurobindo and Mother have given a spiritual definition: supramental sun, or this supramental sun. Why they were given that name? If you look at the flower, looks so beautiful. They have given an extraordinary definition as supramental sun. Supramental sun. It is a flower. It is not a fruit. It is not ripened flower. So it is like a sun god. It blossoms. Even when it blossoms, my God, it illumines. Illumines means bright sunlight and moonlight. It's a sort of an intermix of sun and moon and star. Supramental sun illumines and transforms us. Whom? If you look and concentrate the flower, when it is in blossom, it transforms you without any medicine, without any treatment, or whatever the mental stress you have, that will eliminate, that will come down. So, the floral parts possess truth, absolute truth. Fulfills itself by its own power. It fulfills itself by its own power. If you imagine how many seeds it can produce, it is 1 billion seeds it can produce. This flower contains seeds, smallest seeds. You cannot make out the seeds, so it will produce 1 billion seeds. That's why it is called the floral parts possess truth. How could it produce such a small seed? It is not visible at all. So, self-knowledge, world knowledge, and right consciousness. So it conveys, you must be conscious of it yourself. You are insignificant. Don't think you are great. Don't think you are something wonderful just because God has given you some color or beauty or physique or whatever you call it. Don't think you are big. That is not going to help you. So, right self-knowledge should know, I am a part of soil. I am a part of Mother Earth. So, self-knowledge, and you must try to understand the world of this plant. How big, how beautiful. So, look at this architecture. So, if you look at this architecture, you can see which architect made them to turn like this, right opposite angle. Why? They know that if they don't grow like this part and this part like this, their prayer to talk to sun god is not possible. So they know that I have to interact with sun god, moon god, stars and everybody properly. And more than that, with this transformation of the branchlets in the opposite direction, see, if you look at this tree, if you touch this dorsal side, so it will turn like this. When wind blows like this. So look, that's how it traps all the particulate matter. When wind blows, most of the foliage will be like this. See, green screen. This green screen traps respiratory particulate matter, solid particulate matter, and then when some mist comes, it comes down as a soil. No, it will not go to the breathable air. So the greatest service is Amma does or created is to take care of your lungs. To take care of your lungs. So the tree architecture of this is amazing. So what we have to do in all along the roadside or wherever it is possible, we should plant these trees. Then they will trap respiratory particulate matter. Once respiratory particulate matter or solid particulate matter gets into your lungs, it will remain there forever and it's going to kill you. Bronchitis, this, that, etc. I will just explain. Ayurvedic name of this plant is Vrata Pushpa. It is called Vrata Pushpa. That Pushpa is Vrata. Vrata means even you have to, if you conduct so many things, so many rituals, that is not going to help you. That's why this culture, planting these trees is equal to conducting thousands of vratas. So, Vrata Pushpa or Hari Priya. Their name, signature name is Hari Priya. So, Hari means Mahavishnu. So, Mahavishnu likes this tree. So, both Amma and Mahavishnu lives in this tree, Hari Priya. Then, the stem bark, febrifugal. All kinds of fevers can be cured. Then, diuretic, blood purifier. Dried stem bark used disorders of the female genital tract, bleeding disorders, female genital tract bleeding disorders. This is the biggest problem now today in the among the children because of the various reasons. They use all kinds of pills and other things for prevent pregnancy, this, that, etc. So there's a lot of problems. So this one plant can give all this care. So this is one of the most important sacred plant, and rising from the seed is somewhat a big problem. ನೀನು ಬೀಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗೊತ್ತೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹರ್ಕೊಂಡೋಯ್ತು ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಎ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ and we have raised several lakhs of seedlings. Several lakhs. Try ಮಾಡು, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡು, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಬೀಜ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಬಟ್ ದ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫ್ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬಿಲಿಯನ್, ಅದು ಕೋಟಿ ಕೋಟಿ ಬೀಜ ಇರ್ತದೆ.